Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to renew the Automated Device Enrollment Token within Jamf School and Apple School Manager. First, log into your Jamf School server and go to Organization, Settings, and then Automated Device Enrollment. If you have more than one token here, make note of the one you want to renew. Next, open a new tab or browser window and navigate to Apple School Manager. After logging in, select your profile in the bottom left corner and choose Preferences. In the Your MDM Servers list, click the name of the Jamf School server you want to renew. At the top of this page, click Download Token. When prompted, click Download Server Token to confirm. With the token downloaded, head back to Jamf School. On the Automated Device Enrollment Settings page, click the Edit button above the existing token details. We can either drag and drop the token here, or we can click in the box to select the token file we just downloaded. Select the newly downloaded token, click Upload, and then click Apply. That's it! You'll know the token was successfully renewed because it's now shown as valid until 1 year from today. Thanks for watching.